How to fix Xiaomi 15 Twitter lag. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time like that. And then swipe up to turn off your device and then turn on your device again. After that, update your Twitter. After updating your Twitter, then open settings and then click on about phone, and now click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. After clicking on Xiaomi Hyper OS, you can check your latest version will be updated or not. After checking your latest version, then go back and scroll down and click on apps. Click on manage apps and then search here your Twitter names X. Now click on it and then click on storage. Now here you can clear your Twitter storage. After clear your Twitter storage, then go back to the main page of your settings. Then scroll down and click on settings, additional settings. In additional settings, you can see the option factory reset. Now click on factory reset. After the factory reset, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.